Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about some coding. Here I just coded this demo element over here, so you can add any website URL, something like this, and when you click on this button, it just goes in and gets the original website social code. So this is the title, the OG image, description, everything, and creates another image from the screenshot of the website. So when you go to website, you'll see something like this, right? So it just creates this, gets this screenshot and shows it here. So yeah, this is the demo that I've created, and let's look at the code for that. So we have three files. First is the screenshot route. So this creates the screenshot. So let me just go to the screenshot creator. Take screenshot using Cloudflare browser rendering. So Cloudflare has browser rendering, which is very useful to create just screenshots of whatever website you want. So it's just a URL, and you can go and give the viewport and just so here I've given 1200 into 630. So it just gets a screenshot of that website as a base64 image, and we can just save it as a PNG directly. So that's what's happening here. So first we are checking if the URL is valid, and if the URL is valid, it follows the right protocol and some other security checks over here. So if everything's valid, we first check if it's in cache. So cache here is check image in R2. So R2 is where we store our images. It's again a Cloudflare image storage. So it's we store all our images there. So if this image there, it is stored in R2. So if the cache is hit, it will show the cache hit images. So it won't generate any new image. So this is already generated, right? So you can just click on it and it will just show the image. You won't have to generate for everything. And if it's not, you can if it's not cached, you can go and create a new screenshot. So it just takes the screenshot, uploads it to R2, and it returns the image URL. So that's what's happening here. And we do have some other file uploader. So this is what it gets the object from R2, returns is at an image. So it's just some file management things and metadata extractor. So this is for these content over here, this title, this description. I've added another API route to get all the file metadata description. So yeah, that's what's happening. So first we are main screenshot generation API endpoint, which generates all the main screenshots, and we have website metadata extraction point, which gets the title, description, and the existing OG image. And then we have the image serving API endpoint, which serves the cached screenshot from cloud storage. So yeah, that's it. So what happens here, this is a good description of what happens. User provides a URL, system fetches metadata, description, system generates a screenshot, and both are cached in R2, and the images are served through the internal API February. So yeah, that's what happens. So this is a website to just simplify your OG graph, OG image creation. You can just use your website's images as website's hero section as your OG image, rather than creating a separate OG image. So if you are someone who creates lots of websites, this will be very helpful for you. So I create like a website every week, so this is very helpful for me in that. So yeah, that's what's happening. So if you have a personal website like this and you don't want to have the same OG image for everything, you can just go in and create a website, create a new OG image, and you can just add this mosaic in your website, and it will just append all the OG images that you want here. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll leave all the code for this in the description below, so you can also use it if you want. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.